Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Prepare the Toyota Supra by prioritizing safety and mechanical setup. Check brakes, steering, roll cage or harness if using a track, and wear a helmet. Set rear tire pressure to 28 to 32 psi and choose wider rear tires to make slip predictable. Reduce front pressure slightly for grip balance. Increase steering angle to about 10 degrees using an angle kit or adjustable tie rods. Fit a limited slip differential or consider a welded diff with a 3:5 ratio for consistent lock and sustained slides. Initiate a drift using an appropriate entry. Approach the corner at 30 to 45 mph and select second gear, holding 2,500 to 3,500 RPM for a controllable power band. For a clutch kick, depress and release the clutch quickly to spike rear torque. For a handbrake entry, pull the e-brake firmly then release as the rear breaks loose. A feint requires steering away then sharply into the corner to transfer weight. Counter steer immediately and apply throttle to sustain the slide, modulating 20 to 40% throttle as needed. Control the drift by balancing steering and throttle. Make small, deliberate steering inputs and use throttle modulation to adjust yaw without over-revving the engine beyond 6,500 RPM. When linking corners, shift quickly between second and third with rev blips to maintain torque. Keep revs above 2,500 RPM to avoid bogging. Practice counter steer timing so corrections are smooth. Reduce steering lock as the angle decreases. To finish, ease off throttle to 10 to 20%, straighten the wheel progressively, and let the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.